Keith and Sons Flower Garden specializes in fresh flowers, roses, bouquets, wreaths, vegetable at wholesale, and vegetable seedling plants. We also rent plants for your special occasions. Visit us at 107 Vermenserving between NIS and the New Amsterdam Post Office, or give us a call on telephone number 333-5824 or 6204-646-1717 or 648-8423. You can also email us or check out our Facebook page and our Instagram account. Hurry now and place your orders.